There'll never be the perfect place to practice yoga and meditation. As an instructor, I always aim to create the most serene space for my students. If you're prepared to warm up with me, take a comfortable seat on your mat. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Be fully present in your practice space. When you're ready, place your left palm on the mat. Stretch and reach your right arm up. And back to center and stretch and lean towards your opposite side. Take a twist in your spine, turning from side to side. Come back to center and take some nice gentle neck rolls. Pause at center as you check in with a full inhale, full exhale. One more time, twist right. And twist left. Change the cross in your legs if you're seated cross legs and press down through your tailbone as you inhale. Circle your arms up to the sky. Interlacing your fingers above head and just rock left and right, side to side. When you're ready, place your right palm down, side stretch. We've been here before. Left palm down on the mat, right arm lifts up and overhead. Open up through your chest. Exhale, release it back to center. Do some shoulder shimmy, shoulder rolls back. Maybe tracing the shape of an S from the top of your neck to the base of your spine. Find stillness at center, and however you find it most easy for you, gently make your way up to a standing forward fold, and then slowly roll yourself up to stand, allowing your head to be the last to rise. And right away, circle your arms up high towards the sky, interlacing your palms, your fingers above your head. Exhale, release and stretch towards your right. Inhale back to center, stretch up, press up. Exhale, lean over to your left. Take some shoulder rolls backwards, interlacing your palms back behind your glutes. twisting from left to right, rolling your shoulders backward, opening and extending across your chest. Release the grip on your fingers as you stretch, reach, circle arms up high towards the ceiling. Palms come down to heart center, balancing on your right foot as you extend the left leg back into space, planting both feet firmly down on the ground. Exhale, fold forward over that straight leg. Feel the hamstring stretch before you bend into your front knee for a grounded lunge. Palms on the mat. You can keep the back toes tucked under and the back knee lifted, or lower the back knee down to the mat. Shifting your weight forward and back, straightening the front leg and bending into the front knee. When you're ready, tuck the back toes under, lift the back knee up. Step forward into a Malasana squat. Drop your hips. Press your heels down to the mat. When you're ready, press into your heels. Slowly straighten your legs. Keep a slight bend in your knees as you roll yourself up to stand. Reach and stretch your arms up overhead, interlacing your fingers above your head, stretching your palms up towards the sky. Lean towards your left, allowing your right arm to reach down towards the mat. Left arm reaches up above head. Exhale back to center. Left palm reaches down towards the mat. Right arm reaches up above your head. Come back to center. Do some shoulder rolls to relax your arms down by your sides. Interlace your palms behind your back. Keep rolling your shoulders back. Proud chest as you twist right and twist left. Release your hands, circle your arms up high towards the ceiling. Palms come together, lower in front of your heart center as you balance on your left foot. And step that right leg back into space. Exhale to fold forward over your front straight leg, feeling the hamstring stretch. Exhale, take a bend into that front knee so you're in a lower lunge. Breathe into the outer right hip and then move with it, shifting your weight forward and back. Toes stay tucked under and back knee is lifted, or to be more stable, more grounded, bring that back knee down to the ground. When you're ready, bend and straighten the front leg. Moving from a hamstring stretch to a hip stretch. Low lunge to half splits. Lift your back knee up. Step the back foot forward. Drop your hips down to the mat into a squat. Adjust your feet if you need to, maybe stepping your feet a little bit wider apart. Press your heels down to the floor. Back is straight, shoulders lifted. When you're ready, press your heels down towards the mat. Keep a bend in your knees, but straighten your legs to stand. Slowly roll up, allowing your head to be the absolute last thing to rise. Circle your arms up to the sky. Exhale, interlace your palms behind your back. And drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Inhale back to center. Exhale, drop your left ear to your left shoulder. And inhale, come back to center. I had a little bit of time for a few deep breaths before my first session of students trickled in. Thanks for prepping with me, and make sure to check out the full event recap here. Be well, everyone.